Today we are here in Rotterdam at the Meat Replacement Challenge that we're doing for DSM. We is Planet Bio, Yes Delft and DSM. We're all in Delft, we know each other very well, and I think today we have proven that our collaboration is a very successful formula. We found many interesting startups and scale-ups that are active in this enormously important field of meat replacement. And it was difficult, but we made a selection of 8. The 8 were amazing, they were fantastic, super high quality. Of course only one can win, but I'm sure DSM has been very happy with the result, and there will be more collaborations than just with the winner.
Today the winner is Shiru.
Shiru! We awarded Shiru as the winner of the of tonight's Innovation Challenge, and it was a very tough deliberation, because obviously we had an amazing quality of the 8 finalists. Shiru undoubtedly represents an amazing discovery platform for DSM. It's not a single ingredient, it's not a spot on opportunities, it really paves the way to enrich our entire toolbox, leveraging our core capability in biofermentation.
We are really thrilled to have won the Meat Alternatives Challenge with DSM and Yes Delft. We really see a lot of synergies between what Shiru offers with our ingredients discovery platform, being able to create natural proteins that really will change the future of food is what we do at Shiru, and to be able to partner with DSM to scale and develop our technologies to help us bring those important ingredients to market. We're just thrilled for what this collaboration can offer us and the doors that it can open for us as a company, but moreover for the entire food space. We feel really excited to be involved in this partnership and can't wait for our next steps.